What is up guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Studio for recording on Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Google Meet or you can type meet.google.com. So then you will be redirected to the landing page of Google Meet. Now after that, open a new tab and then search for OBS Studio. And here is the first official link of OBS Studio. You can directly click on download and then select your operating system like Windows, Apple, or Linux. You can choose your operating system and then after that, a download exe file will appear. Just simply click on it and it will download the exe file. And after downloading the OBS application, OBS Studio application will appear on your desktop. And from that, just simply open your OBS Studio application. And from here, you can start recording or you can even start streaming. After clicking on one of these buttons, just minimize this and then you can use your Google Meet according to your needs. So this is how you can use OBS Studio for recording on Google Meet. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.